Everybody have his own culture. But you will notice that the second Islam come, the culture of Indonesian disappear. The culture of any country disappear. Islam will be supremacist, and Islam will force the food you eat, the clothes you wear, the name you name, the dress you do, and even the word you say. And one of the most tool they use is right away forcing you to pray in Arabic. Why an Indonesian who is born in Indonesia all his life, he don't speak Arabic, he have nothing to do with Arab like me, why he have to name his son Arabic name, and he have to pray to Allah in Arabic, and he have to wear Arabic clothes, and he have to eat Arabic food, as Muhammad he did, who live in Arabian Peninsula? What I have to do with Muhammad? Let us say Muhammad, as Muslims they say he's a prophet. Well, can't you be a prophet, bring God to people without bringing Arabic to them? Can they be Muslims yet Indonesian? Can they be Muslims and yet they have their own heritage? No, you cannot. Arab and Islam is one thing. Islam use Arabic and Arab to be supreme above other cultures. So you will see someone like Zakir Naik, who is not from Arabia. What about say, okay, you pray to God, say glory to Allah, you know, the most whatever. Do you have to say Bismillah ar-Rahman A'udhu billahi min at-tayt?
Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain, amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. وقل جاء الحق وزاق الباطل إن الباطل كان زهوقا رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي.
Why you want to do that? It's not your language. Can't your God speak to you in your language? What exactly is the point of speaking, praying to God in a language you don't speak?
My respected elders and my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. With the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu salamu ala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Actually, this is silly. And this is a proof that the God of Islam is not a God for everybody. This is the God for the Arab. So you live in Indonesia, which is a couple of thousands of miles away from the Arabian Peninsula, yet you speak to God of Islam in Arabic? What will happen if you speak to him in Indonesian? He will not listen? He's not there for you? He will not understand you?